Everyone, today we are going to cover 50 most important questions of chapter 3, metals and non-metals. Now start with the first question. If metal is found in a free state in nature, it is called its native state. So correct option is A. Next, the element found in free state in nature is, options are copper, gold, silver, option D, all of these. So correct option is D. All these are found in free state. Next, metals are extracted from. So they are extracted from ores. So correct option is C. Next, calcination is. So it is a process of heating the ore in a limited supply of air. So correct option is A. Next, uranium is. So it is a radioactive element. So correct option is C. Next, non-metals are. So they are electronegative elements. So correct option is option C. Next question. Non-metals form covalent volatile halides. So correct option is C. Next question. Metal always found in free state. Options are gold, silver, copper, sodium. So gold is always found in free state. So correct option is A. Next, reaction दे रखी है Al2O3 plus 2 NaOH. So it gives NaAlO2 plus में water H2O. So correct option is C. Next, malachite is an ore of. So it is a ore of copper. Option B is correct. Next question. Non-metals form covalent chloride because they can share electron with chlorine. So the correct option is option B. Next, a basic lining is given to a furnace by using calcite dolomite. So correct option is option A. Next, the highly reactive metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. are extracted by they are extracted by electrolysis of their molten chlorides. So correct option is A. Next question. The slag obtained during the extraction of copper pyrites is composed mainly of. So it is composed mainly of FeSiO3. So correct option is B. Next, which of the following oxide of iron would be obtained on prolonged reaction of iron with steam? स्टीम के साथ जब रिएक्ट करते हैं सो दे फॉर्म ऑक्साइड Fe3O4. So correct option is C. Next, which of the following non-metal is lustrous? Options are sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine. So correct option is D. Next, an iron nail was suspended in CuSO4 solution and kept for a while. The solution is. So it turned green and a coating was formed on the nail. So correct option is B. Next, the common method for extraction of metal from the oxide ore is. So the common method is reduction with carbon. So correct option is A. Next, which one among the following is an acetic oxide? So carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is an acidic oxide. So option C is correct. Next, example of an atmospheric amphoteric oxide is. So correct option is Al2O3. Next question. The process in which a carbonate ore is heated strongly in the absence of air to convert it into metal oxide is called calcination. So correct option is C. Next, chemically rust is. It is hydrated ferric oxide. So correct option is B. Next, the sulfide ore among the following is. Options are hematite, bauxite, argentite, zinc blende. So correct option is zinc blende. Option D. Next, setting of plaster of Paris takes place due to. So it plays due to solder. Option A is correct. Next, oxides of moderately reactive metal like zinc, iron, nickel, tin, copper, etc. are reduced by using. So they are reduced by using carbon as reducing agent. So option C is correct. Next, heating pyrites to remove sulfur is called. So it is called roasting. So correct option is D. Next, most abundant metal on the surface of the earth. So it is aluminium. Option B is correct. Next question. The atomic number of an element X is 12. Which inert gas is nearest to X? So if the atomic number is 12, then the inert gas nearest to it is neon. So option C is correct. Next, some crystals of CuSO4 were dissolved in water. The color of the solution obtained would be, so it would be blue. So option C is correct. Next, during smelting, an additional substance is added which combine with impurities to form a fusible product. It is known as flux. Option D is correct. Next question. The electronic configuration of three element XYZ are as follow. X is equal to 2, 4, Y is equal to 2, 7, Z is equal to 2, 1. Which two element will combine to form an ionic compound, and write the correct formula. So the correct formula for it is YZ. So option B is correct. Next, zone refining is used for it is used for purification of metal. Option C is correct. Next, an element X is soft and can be cut with a knife. This is very reactive to air and cannot be kept open in air. It reacts vigorously with water. Identify the element from the following. So element is sodium. So option B is correct, Na. Next, in the thermite process, the reducing agent is, so option D is correct, aluminium. Next, galvanization is a method of protecting iron from rusting by coating with a thin layer of zinc. Option C is correct. Next, the luster of a metal is due to, so it is due to presence of free electron. Option D is correct. The elements whose oxide can turn phenolphthalein solution pink are sodium and potassium. So option A is correct. Next question. Which of the following pair will give displacement reaction? So according to the option D, AgNO3 solution and copper metal give displacement reaction. Next question. Which of the following method is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? So applying a coating of zinc prevent it from rusting. Option C is correct. Next question. An element react with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be, so it likely to be calcium. Option A is correct. Next question. Question number 41. Food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. Option C is correct. Next question. Malleability is exhibited by, so it is exhibited by copper. Option D is correct. Next, which of the following metal will release hydrogen gas on reaction with cold water at room temperature? So option D is correct, sodium. Next, in case of bond formation between sodium and chlorine, the electron transfer takes place from, so it takes place from sodium to chlorine. Option A is correct. Next question. The earthly or undesired material associated with an ore are called. They are called mineral or matrix. They are called gauge or matrix. So the option D is correct. They are called gauge or matrix, A and C. Next question. The element found in free state in nature is, so copper, gold, silver. Option D is correct. All of these elements are found in free state. Next question. Metals are extracted from, so they are extracted from ores. Option C is correct. Next, calcination is, so it is a process of heating the ore in a limited supply of air. Option A is correct. Option next question 49, uranium is a radioactive element. Option C is correct. Next, non-metals are electronegative elements. So option C is correct. So these are 50 most important question of chapter metals and non-metals. Thank you for today.